Hi guys, how to make a wonderful coffee for taste and to have enjoyment. You need to have a sachet of the cappuccino coffee. First of all, you have to purchase cappuccino coffee from the shop, and you have to add some sugar and coffee in the cup. Later on, you can add a hot milk. Remember, first you have to mix sugar and coffee in some water or in milk, but later on you will add hot water and your coffee is ready to be enjoyed. And later on you can add as well some coffee on its upon it. There you go, you can see. Now mix it well and your coffee is ready to be chilled. Thank you.